Hey everyone, it's Shannon from 180 Elite Fitness, and today we're going to do a real quick ab routine. So I have my timer with me. We're going to go over a few moves that I do with my clients. I'm going to do the moves that they love. I can see them now saying, yeah, right. But we're going to go over 5 moves. I'm setting my timer. The first move we're going to go over is the plank. Now, when we're doing the plank, your standard plank is where you're on your palms and on your toes. Drawing your navel in, so think navel to spine. Make sure there's a straight line from your wrist to your shoulders. So wrist to shoulders, nothing where you're pushing away, everything stays under, okay? So not only are we getting a good ab workout, but we are also working the upper body. So you're getting some toning in the arms and the shoulders. Really do the best that you can. If this is just too much, get on your knees, get on the mat. Get on your knees and you can do this move. If it's too much for your wrists, by all means, get on your forearms. We only got a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. And come gently down to your knees. All right. Next move we're going to get into. Sorry guys, I have to adjust myself. Next move we're going to get into is a Russian twist. So this is move 2. And what we're doing here, we're thinking about full rotation, guys. We're not, no. You have to really twist, engage those muscles. It isn't supposed to be easy. Twist, 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 twist. Make sure your chest is up and out. Twist, twist. And if you want to take it up a notch, both feet are off of your mat. Fight for it. A few more. Five seconds. And relax. Whew. All right, move 2, down. Heading over right into move 3. I'm going to go into a plank tap, okay? So you guys can be on your forearms and you're taking the legs out, lateral, and you're tapping. You can also do this move on your palms. Tap, tap, tap. Pick what works for you. You can do this on your knees. Pick your level. This is your workout, okay? Again, when we're in plank position, we're not only working our abs, but we're working upper body as well. Almost done. Tap, tap, come down. Woo! Ah. Move 3, down. All right. We're gonna get into move 4. We're going to go into a reverse crunch, guys, and let me adjust myself from the mat. Your head is rested, neck rested, back rested, bottom rested on the mat. Hands to the side or underneath your bottom for extra support for your lower back. When you're doing this move, force the back, force your back to the mat. We don't want any gaps here. Force everything to the mat. Think navel to spine. And begin, guys. So we're driving the knees to the chest and then coming back to start, which is at a 90-degree angle with the legs. Whew. It's getting difficult. I know some of you probably saying it was difficult when we started the first move. Whew. If you need to, take a moment, 4 seconds, and then get back in the game. You have to fight for it. Change doesn't come easy. Drive the knees. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Can you hold it? And relax. Woo! All right. Move forward. Move number 4, down. I'm winded already. All right, we're going into the last move. All right, we're going to go into scissors. All right, so your hands again underneath your bottom. And scissor it out. Let's go. Now, if you want to, you take it up off of your shoulder blades. So not only are you getting some lower ab action, but you're getting some upper ab action when you're up. But if that's just too much for you, by all means, take it back down. It's perfectly fine. No shame in this. Everybody starts somewhere, and then we work toward the advanced moves. Do what you're able to do. This isn't a race. Oh, a few more. Push through, guys, push through. I know it's shaking, but that's what we want. Can you hold it? And relax. Woo. All right, guys. 5 moves. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're feeling froggy, turn this off. And if you're feeling froggy, repeat this workout twice, 3 times over. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. This is a good finisher after a good HIIT cardio workout, or a good finisher after a good strength training workout. It's totally up to you what you want to do. I'm glad you guys were here to join me with this workout. All right, guys. See you later. I really like for you guys to come here and just have a good time with all the different workouts, all the different content that I'm going to push on this channel. So yes, please do not forget to subscribe. You know where that subscribe button is. Like if you like, share if you like to share. Have a good day, guys.